Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best baby sunglasses that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Hipster Kid. The first and top choice to hit the sun is Hipster Kid baby sunglasses. While we are purchasing products for our kids, the very first thing we consider is safety. Likewise, the Hipster Kid baby sunglasses gives 100% safety from the sun for kids. The polarized lenses keep the little one from UVB and UVA waves. When it comes to its material, the sunglass is made of BPA, PVC free, so that it never hurts your baby's gentle skin. This sunglass comes with straps and flexible frames which are twist resistant, and to avoid breakage, it includes a shatter resistant lens. It comes in various sizes, so when choosing the sunglasses, ensure they will fit toddlers or infants' small eyes. The Hipster will replace the products if the sunglasses are broken within a year. It is not only for eye protection but also gives a stylish look when your kids go on an adventure. When they are not in use, you can keep them within the strap, so they will never escape from your eyes, and the sunglasses price is so affordable. At number 4. Coca Sand. Coca Sand sunglasses are the right choice for babies in outdoor activities such as pool, beach, or adventure. These baby sunglasses are made with plastic lenses. They are superpower guardians for an infant's eyes because they never allow harmful UV waves to the sunglasses. So your infant can enjoy nature even on sunny days. To consider the baby's safety, the sunglasses are made of premium TPE material and are free from BPA and other harmful materials. It also satisfies FDA food safety regulations and is bite and chew resistant. The baby can easily bend the sunglasses, but they never break because the frame is composed of rubber material. The Coca Sand baby sunglasses will be a nice and safe gift for babies, and it comes with one tip card, strap, soft microfiber pouch, and one cleaning cloth. When your baby is taking a nap, you can keep them with its microfiber pouch and you can adjust the strap as the baby grows. Overall, it is one of the best baby sunglasses for 6 months babies, newborns, and toddlers. At number 3. Baby BANZ. If you're looking for sunglasses for your active toddler or newborns, this is the one to get. Children spend more time in outdoor activities compared to adults, so sunglasses are more important for babies than adults. Besides, it protects the child from UV waves and gives them a fashionable look. Their innovative design is awesome because these sunglasses are easy to use for both little ones and adults. To ensure the baby's safety, the sunglasses are made free from harmful chemicals and are kids-friendly sunglasses. The notable point of these sunglasses is that 65% of doctors recommend these band sunglasses. The adjustable straps are so comfortable and safe for the child you can easily adjust the sunglasses as the kids grow. If the sunglasses are broken after purchasing within a year, the company will replace the product. Whether it is sunny or cooler weather, the child is ready to enjoy nature with the safest sunglasses. At number 2. Babyators. Babyators is an award-winning sunglasses that gives safety and stylish look to babies when they go to the beach or other outdoor activities. It offers different shades for kids, so pick the right one that gives the child a royal look. These sunglasses fit for children aged 3 and protect tiny eyes from the sun. So far, in every adventure, the child always is safe. The Babyators baby sunglasses are made of sturdy and soft material, so they never irritate the child's skin when wearing the sunglasses. It is also shatter resistant and never allows the UV rays to touch the infant's eyes when wearing these best baby sunglasses. If your baby breaks them in a year, the Babyators will replace the products. They never broke if the baby twisted or bent the sunglasses. It is made of a rubber frame, and the lenses are composed of polycarbonate, which gives protection from toddlers' eyes. Babyators also has a pair of heart-shaped sunglasses suitable for children aged 0 to 5. So now it's your turn to choose the fashionable one and enjoy the sunshine weather. At number 1. Coasian. If you're looking for affordable sunglasses, the Coasian heart-shaped sunglasses are the way to go. Their polarized sunglasses protect kids from hazardous waves while also increasing the visibility of their vision in the sun. These sunglasses are made of a strong material that will not break even if they are twisted or bent. Choose the best one based on your child's favorite shades. These adorable baby sunglasses come with a strap and are available in various sizes and shades. The Coasian frames are manufactured of high-quality rubber and are suitable for infants aged 0 to 24 months. Coasian protection lenses can reduce glare and protect your eyes from long-term damage by blocking 100% of dangerous UVA and UVB rays. As a result, this is the best option for your 6-month-old baby girl. The child can enjoy the trip and outdoor activities even on sunny days. The child can stay safe and enjoy the world's natural beauty on a small budget of sunglasses. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.